Set datum at grid A1. Prism steady, reading now. Log SPT blows every meter.
Keep clear of swing radius. We're 20 millimeters high. Oh, truck crossing. All deliveries use gate 2. Truck set, swing clear.
And dig within 1 meter.
Bing. Pile P12 at this mark.
Depth check, 8 meters.
Add 2 spacers at mid.
Lower, pause at 1 meter.
Finish flat, no ridges. Spacing at 150, confirm. Embeds meet spec, lock them. Corners tight, no gaps. Cover all exposed threads.
Maintain moisture all day.
Set kickers on the red line.
Lap length meets detail B.
Sleeve box stays centered.
Perfect place for yourself.
Access okay, ready for hose.
Lift by lift, don't overfill.
Bring it down 2 mils.
Brace it, no movement.
Template level, hold it.
Match tag to pedestal ID.
Record thickness, no damage.
Keep grout flow consistent.
Lower slow, hold on mark.
Torque to spec, cross pattern. No grid on stainless, redo.
Center offset within tolerance.
Check dowels, plumb and true.
There's the thing racing.
Vibrate lightly. Protect anchors.
Core corners locked. Don't disturb.
Tap. Sleeves clear. clear, no clash. Plumb check, lock braces.
Stop at the lift mark. Label set, store and shade. Couplers tight, check each one.
Embed plate stays flush.
Tagline, keep it off bolts.
Watch the base seal, no leak.
Shoring lines, stay on grid.
Edge protection verified for okay.
Keep mode edge covered.
Sleeves clear, no rebar cuts.
Take cylinders, label now.
Confirm door opening dimension.
Do not bridge the moat.
Clear path, riser section coming.
Coupling tight, mark it.
Tag this anchor, shim later.
Exclusion zone, keep clear. Seat the gasket, then torque.
Track on line, straight run.
Seal bead continuous, no gaps. Keeper gap verified, record it.
Against the middle.
Stop lifts if gusts rise.
Hold, align to the mark. Tack only, final weld later. Stay clipped, edge work now. Pour stop tight, no blowout. Control hose, gust coming.
Overlap 100, mark and seal.
Roger that, fire watch clear. Seal every penetration, double bead.
Plumb online, lock bolts.
Tray clears duct line, good.
Sheen matches, move on.
Moisture okay.
Start laying.
Test emergency circuit now. No leaks, tighten a quarter. No hard fixings, keep it free.
Slope away, no ponding.
Remove keepers, one bay at a time.
Movement free. Document it. Tag it, Ash, close by Friday.
Joint tooled, clean edges.
Moved, verified.
Closeout set, ready to submit. Load out. Keep lanes open.
Subscribe, like, and share.